Ever wonder how financial planners predict if your retirement savings will last? The answer often lies in a technique called Monte Carlo simulation. Instead of guessing a single future return, this method runs thousands of different market scenarios to see what is likely to happen. A computer simulates the market's ups and downs 10,000 times, creating a wide range of potential outcomes for your specific portfolio. By layering in market history and your personal goals, the model shows you a distribution of possible results rather than one single guess. Most financial models miss the mark by assuming everything stays the same, but Monte Carlo simulations embrace chaos to give you a much clearer picture. The output isn't a guarantee, but a probability. It helps you see if you have a high or low chance of meeting your goals. Remember, these simulations are just tools. They are helpful for planning, but they cannot predict the future with perfect accuracy. Use these insights to adjust your savings rate or risk tolerance. Save this video if it helped and subscribe for more finance basics.